gentleman in the back. Okay, so we're welcome to the shooting thing. I hear you unfortunately don't get to shoot, but we'll talk about it, explain it a little bit. So we have several styles of guns here that were used in North America. The first one that was invented first is called the Pennsylvania rifle. You notice one big stock, one barrel. This is a squirrel rifle. Actually, it's a 36 caliber rifle. It was used primarily east of the Mississippi. Okay. This gun here is a Hawkins style rifle. You notice it's shorter. It was guys that carried it usually rode on horseback. It was heavier. It had knockdown power to be able to shoot a buffalo or a grizzly bear when it was attacking. And then this gun here is a trade gun. And this gun is the most common type of gun that was used in Wisconsin, the Midwest, places like this. So most Native Americans that carried a gun would have carried this gun. This, you notice the fancy wood. This is the maple, trigger maple. This is the type of gun that would have been presented to a chief as a present. This is a very fancy gun.
Okay, here's the World Championship. Senior against Hinty. At the first annual Rendezvous and Wild Rice Festival in Mold.
Got a chance. Got a chance.
And here we go, Hinty.
Your finger out of the...
Hinty is up here, and we're going to see if he can either beat or tie George with nothing.
You shot high too.
Here we go. Jess against Kim for the World Championship.
This is going to be on the instructors now, so you got to do what I tell you.
Here we go.
Right there. Looks good. Okay, let it go.
Oh, no. Well, you're supposed to have a thing on.
It doesn't hurt.
Now he said that.
It's all in your head.
He doesn't...
Every shot. Oh, this arm.
Look at that gold. Bring your corner of your mouth. Hold it. Concentrate on it. Gold.
Kim, you're in trouble. You're in trouble, Kim. Jess has just buried you. I don't want to see it.
Same thing though. Do it over and you'll do good.
Pull it back to your face.
Look at that.
You know what? I don't think I could beat her.
There you go. There you go.
I
You
got
got a winner.
Yeah, but look at what your partner did.
Oh,
He's had more practice.
They're shooting against each other.
yeah.
And George, you said this was based on who is schooling them.
Right.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I'm sorry. Oh, you know what? I did one over. That's my fault.
Yep.
Totally my fault.
Yeah. You don't see it. Brings your lower on your face, it brings the higher on the face.
Black powder have met bow and arrow.
Look at that. All right. Very good. Very good.
Wow.
Let's look at the paper. That's all I care about.
Yeah.
Look, if you hurt yourself, I heard it.
Better than we did with the muzzle loader.
I told ya. No, I didn't hurt myself that time. We're still good.
Yeah.
That's why I have it to do with archery.
Shame our kids can't shoot.
There's a reason they got rid of it. That's the way I look at it. I don't mind.